Alrighty, so this is Justin P. for the assignment 5 for graphics. So here for the first question, it was to get rid of the view matrix and projection matrix out of the graphics card and put it onto the processor. So doing that right here in the draw scene function. I guess I should just go and show that it works real quick. So that's that. So that was question 1. Question 2 here was asking to do the same thing but 5 objects, and then also just compute this view matrix and projection matrix once, and then pass that into the objects. So that's right here. You can see the 5th one. Up there. There we go. You can see the 5. So that's that guy. The third question was asking to do the pyramid with the correct textures on it. So you can see the unit pyramid wrap textures all set up here. And then when I go ahead and run it, you can see got the proper pyramid right there, so that's cool. For question 4, I do believe oh yeah, so this is the box. So I have one small problem with it. Everything is all set up properly. I just realized after I had done all of my setting up that there's two sides, this side and the left side and the right side, which are not there, and everything else is backwards. It's because when I was doing this problem, I looked at these two pictures here and saw that they were not like rotated properly, so I took this picture, turned it around, and was using that to go off that. So I'm actually using this section right here that I thought, like when this picture is turned around, I thought that I was on the left and right side, but obviously it's backwards. So I know what I did wrong on it. I just didn't take an hour to go back and change all of this. So that's that for number 4. For number 5. I had I've got everything all set up as it should be for the shader texture class, and everything that should work for the send matrices, send world, set to context, the set texture resource sampler. Everything's all there, except for some very strange reason I cannot figure it out. I can't include my shader texture file. I've been trying for like an hour to get it to work properly, but I just don't see the issue that I'm doing, and it's obviously way too late. So I honestly don't know my problem there. I'm sure there's once again something just very silly and stupid that I'm forgetting, but it's set up as it should be. I'm just forgetting something. So that's that for number 5. For the further questions, for the first one, it was, what do you see when you put in the 512 texture? What I saw was just a completely pink box, and I'm not completely sure of the reason, but I think it was that it was due to the red outlines of the texture being interpolated with the white areas of the rest of the picture, or of the texture. So that was my educated guess on that. For the analysis, I was doing some as I was going. It seemed that when I was doing textures, it was actually running faster, and that also I did the performance analysis on problem 2, and I mean it's kind of obvious to see, but when you're doing more multiplications, it was going much slower in the draw of the in the draw function. So I guess that was kind of expected and obvious, but I did it anyways. So that's that. Thank you very much.